Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm out on the Bayou this morning running the Alabama motor for Mike from Alabama. Mike, she's a sweetie. She runs good. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 11 miles an hour. Starts up real easy. Idles down perfect. Really nice motor. Let's take it for a spin right now. I'll show you what you can do. Sweet, runs just fine. So I've given it a tune-up, new points, condensers, spark plug wires, rebuilt the carb, did the fuel pump modification to 2-line to single line, and the gear case pressure tested good, changed the impeller, gear oil, she's good to go. Now, one thing about these fuel pump upgrades on these smaller horsepowers, the 5.5, when you do that upgrade, you turn it into a vacuum system where it sucks the gas up instead of pushing it through with pressure. So, where you place your tank is very important. If the tank is down too low, these lower horsepower motors don't have enough vacuum to suck it up. So, when you get your motor mic, make sure your gas tank is within 10 inches or so from the fuel connector. It ought to run just fine. Alright, so let's take it for another spin real quick. Let's check reverse. Reverse works good. Take it for another spin. I'm going to cruise on in now. Mike, you can come get your motor when you're ready. She's good to go. She was worth saving. Good for another 50 years. Y'all remember here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. And there she is, the Alabama motor. See y'all next video.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.